how to download and install drivers for your ASRock motherboard. Keeping your drivers up to date is essential for optimal performance and compatibility. So let's get started. First, we need to identify your ASRock motherboard model. If you already know it, you can skip to the next step. If not, here's how to find out. Press Windows plus R to open Run dialog box. Type MS Info 32 and press Enter. In the System Configure Information window, look for BaseBoard Product or Motherboard Model under the System Summary. Note down your motherboard model as you'll need to find it to find the correct drivers. Next, head over to the ASRock support website to find and download the drivers. Open the web browser and go to the ASRock official website. Hover over support in the top menu and click on download. Enter your motherboard model in the search box and press enter. Once you find your motherboard support page, you'll see a list of available drivers. Make sure to select your operating system from the drop-down menu to filter the drivers. Download the drivers you need, such as chipset, audio, LAN, and any other relevant drivers. Save the downloaded files to a location you'll remember, such as Downloads folder. Now that we have the driver, let's install them. Navigate to the folder where you save the driver's files. Double-click on the first driver file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation. Repeat this process for each driver file you downloaded. Now, after installing all drivers, let's verify the drivers that were installed correctly. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the categories for the device drivers you installed, such as network adapters, sound, video, and game controllers, and system devices. Make sure there are no yellow warning icons or errors next to any devices. And that's it. Keeping your drivers up to date is crucial for maintaining system stability and performance.